Right, so just going to show you how to change the disc on this Black & Decker angle grinder. It's called Angle Grinder Type 3 KG900-XE, but I guess it's probably pretty similar on most models. So just got our tool here, that goes in here. First we have to press this black button on the back here to lock the disc in place. See, it locks in place, and there it came loose. So I'll show you. So yeah, got that off, put that to the side. Gonna keep that, just putting a cutting wheel on. Pick this up like $1.90. Put it on and then screw this back on. Make sure you get it as tight as you can.